In this video, let me show you how to fix Facebook two-factor authentication problem. So if you're having issues receiving the code, whether on the SMS or on the Authenticator app, let me show you a couple of solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is head over to the Meta settings and head over to password and security. Head over to two-factor authentication. Select your account. You can choose one of these other options in order to receive the code, or you might also be able to see the recovery code that you might have added in or Facebook might have generated whenever you have enabled the two-factor authentication. So you'll be able to see a 8-digit code being displayed, which you can safely copy and paste in the code section to successfully log in. So this is the first way that you'll be able to reset and fix this issue. Secondly, what you can also do is, if you're currently using a Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator, what you can do is head over to it and then you can simply refresh it. If you're not being able to use the current code, make sure that the code expires and try using the new code that has been generated. Now lastly, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you'll need to do is submit an ID document to Meta support. So what you'll need to do is just head over to the Meta support and provide your ID documents such as your passport to verify your identity within the Meta platform. Only after your identity is verified, you'll be able to recover your account within this platform. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.